Hello guys and welcome back po sa ating channel na Christianity Makes Sense. Sorry if I'm so busy in some of my priorities. Siyempre, kasama na yung mga work ba. But anyway, medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong walang bagong content reacting some of the atheistic arguments. Ngayon, isa sa ating ipipinpoint dito ay ang video na ito mula sa isang atheist TikTok channel na to na kung saan pinipresenta dito yung mga so-called absurdity daw ng Christianity and the rest of it. Although, bago yon, bagamat nagpe-present din tayo ng mga evidence concerning Christian faith, we are answering some of the objections, including na lamang dito yung mga arguments po ng ilan sa mga Muslim friends natin, including Mr. Ibrahim Ramas. Uh, I'm thinking about having a dialogue or conversation with him in the future, maybe this October. So pray for that. And also at the same time, if the Lord wills, maybe this coming October as well, ay magkakaroon din ako ng conversation din or dialogue sa ating kaibigang atheist na si Mr. Atheist na dating preacher. Actually, unlike atheist trolls na umaatake sa Facebook page natin, yung si Mr. Atheist kasi ng TikTok talagang nag-engage siya ng mga dialogues and debates sa kanyang TikTok live. So, more than that, ah, nirerespeto ko siya diyan. So, anyway, tingnan natin ngayon yung video na ito from a certain atheist TikTok. At saka ang ano doon, hindi ko na patutugtugin yung sound dahil baka makopyright tayo sa YouTube. So, 'di ba, ang tanong ay why there is something rather than nothing? Atheists believe we came from nothing, but we were actually created by God from nothing. This made more sense at ang kita nyo, stupid question. First and foremost, if this guy, yung nagpresenta ng ganitong nakakatawang tanong na nakakatawang conclusion na yan, actually kasi itong atheist na to, kung sino man to, wala siyang nire-representa na reason kung bakit reasonable na walang Diyos, so to speak. And because we are talking about uh, the issue concerning to the existence of God through, excuse me, through the argument for the beginning, or from the beginning I mean, talakayin natin ito. So, unahin talaga natin ito, yung argument for the beginning of the universe. Kasi kung mapapansin po natin, stupid question daw yung if there's no God, why is there something rather than nothing? By the way, ito ay mula kay Leibniz na isang philosopher. So anyway, an argument is termed cosmological because it argues from the existence of the universe. So the argument seeks to show God is the cause of the existence of the universe. Meron ding tinatawag na kalam cosmological argument, kung saan ang argument ay ganito. God is the cause of the coming into existence of the universe a finite time ago. Bukod dyan, mayroon pang isa pang version dito na tinatawag ding argument from contingency or the first cause argument, kung saan pinipresenta dito na ang Diyos ang dahilan or God is the cause of the continuing existing of the universe, na siyang argument na pinipresenta ni Thomas Aquinas. Ngayon, kung titingnan natin kasi na pinipresenta dito yung argument na ang universe ay nagsimulang mag-exist a finite time ago. Kaya kung mapapansin natin, yan yung tanong na sinasabi daw ng naturang video na napaka-estupido daw ng katanungan. Why is there something rather than nothing at all? So, dito kasi actually, ito ay isang question na nagme-make sense. Kasi if there is no God, paano natin may papaliwanag ang simula ng lahat ng bagay? Kahit yung mga atheist scientists, ironically, they are accepting the fact that the universe had a beginning. Saan ba galing yung mga alikabok sa kalawakan, saan galing ang mga between, ito ba'y galing sa Big Bang, quantum vacuum, or kung ano-ano. Kung sasabihin nila ay quantum vacuum, hindi naman ito galing sa wala yan eh. Kung ang tinutukoy ay subatomic particle, hindi rin yan patunay. So, saan galing yung enerhiya or whatever it is. Kaya nga, yung sinasabi na stupid question daw yung why is there something rather than nothing at all? Una, hindi po yun actual na argumento. Pangalawa, napaka-nonsense naman yung ganoong pasabi na ganito, no? Hindi po yan legit na argument. Kaya kung sino man pong gumawa ng video na yan, hindi po lehitimong argumento yan. Sa sa point na yan, yung ginawa naman dito ni Dr. William Lane Craig, ganito naman yung argumento. So, premise 1, whatever begins to exist has a cause. Premise 2, the universe began to exist. Therefore, the universe has a cause. Kaya kung mapapansin natin, either in scientific or philosophical point of view, talaga malalaman natin talaga na may simula ang universe. So whether they like it or not, kahit mismong mga skeptic scientists, they recognize na may simula talagang universe. Lalo na sa issue ng Big Bang. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po, yan ang pinapakita ko na po sa screen yung mga patutong ito ng patutong yan. Talagang makikita natin na may simula talagang universe. Mula sa second law of thermodynamics, pag-expand ng universe, law of entropy, constant ang energy ng universe. Tsaka pala sabi ng second law of thermodynamics kasi, processes taking place in a closed system always move toward a state of equilibrium. So, sa madaling sabi, unless outside energy is added to a closed system, the usable energy within the system will eventually run down. Kumbaga, maglalaho at maglalaho ang enerhiya na mayroon. Dahil nga, syempre, yung usable energy ng universe ay nagagamit, so to speak. Syempre, ayan yung tinutukoy natin na philosophical argument para dyan. Everything that began had a cause, or everything that began to exist had a cause. Ang strawman na sinasabi dito ay everything has a cause. Hindi po yan ang tinutukoy natin. We're not. So, example na lamang ang time o oras. Time as a series of one moment after another cannot be eternal. Bakit? An infinite series by definition never ends. But the present moment is the end of all the moments before it. Sa maling sabi, the moments before today could not have been eternal. Time must have had a beginning. But if the temporal world had a beginning, then may nag-cause dyan. Sa madaling salita mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, kahit ang, kung infinite ang oras, o let's say, infinite ang universe, paano tayo makakarating sa tinatawag na bukas, so to speak? So, kung mapapansin po natin, kung ang lahat ng ito ay may simula, it only makes sense talaga na mayroong isa na walang pasimula ang lumikha ng lahat ng bagay. So, to assume that the question why is there something rather than nothing at all is a stupid question, then paano itong conclusion na ito ng mismo mga skeptic scientists na may simula talagang universe whether they like it or not? Kasi mostly ang kanilang paniniwala ay ganito. Ang universe daw ay infinite. Kaso, lumalabas lalong-lalo na po sa examination ng mga evidence, ang universe talaga ay may simula. Siyempre, dalawa lang yan. Either no one created something out of nothing, or someone created something out of nothing. So, yung sinasabi dito na stupid question daw ang tanong na to, it's not even a stupid question at all. Hindi po ito kamangmangan na katanungan. Well, To the one who made that video, let me ask you, why did you say that this question is a stupid one? Even though in reality, ito po ay rational question na dapat both atheists and Christians must have to ask for themselves. Lalong-lalo sa mga tuklas na mga evidence ngayon. So, again, don't say that this question is nonsense. Don't say that this question is stupid. Be honest. You might have to ask yourself, why is there something rather than nothing at all? Well, nasa sa iyong pasya yan, kapatid.